What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we are making Southern okra and tomatoes. These are actually incredibly easy to make, y'all, so let's go ahead and get started. So first, take 3 slices of bacon chopped into pieces and go ahead and pan fry that in a pan. Get it nice and crisp. And then remove that bacon from the pan and drain any excess fat. I like to leave a teaspoon of bacon fat in the pan to sear that okra and tomatoes. So then take half a cup of chopped onions, saute those in the pan until the onions are translucent and fragrant. And then add 3 cups of frozen or fresh okra. You can use whichever you wish. And then 14.5 ounces of canned diced tomatoes. And then add half teaspoon of Creole Seasoning and salt and pepper to taste, and give that a good stir. And then cover your pan and simmer it for about 15 to 20 minutes until the okra is soft. Take your cooked and crumbled bacon and sprinkle that throughout. Stir everything together one last time. And there you have it, Southern okra and tomatoes.